from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Flow state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the 1X anywhere, and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is Time Shift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles.
This is Fusion. It's arguably the most versatile creative tool ever made.
The magic behind Fusion is turning multiple images into a single spherical image.
The stabilization feature on Fusion is amazing.
Your footage is stabilized automatically, so you can relive the experience just as you remember it.
One of the most exciting aspects of Fusion is what we call overcapture.
Overcapture is when you take spherical content and frame it to traditional video.
This is ultimately where cameras are headed. You shouldn't have to point at what you want to film. You should just be able to film what you're experiencing. And Fusion makes that possible.
Stop recording.
The best camera is the one that captures every angle. Meet the Insta360 It records in every direction, so you never miss a shot. Shooting in 360 unlocks some amazing possibilities, like hypnotically smooth stabilization, or a selfie stick that disappears so that your camera can fly. Slow things down to get a mind-blowing perspective. Cinematic edits are easy. Just mark the best parts of your shot. The one connects them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Lock on to any subject. The one keeps it steady in center frame. Show 2 angles at once and get the whole story. Use the one on its own, or shoot 360 straight from your phone. You can focus on enjoying the moment. The one will take care of capturing it.
We all have our own journey and choose our own path, each with a unique story to share. Capture all your adventures and more with KuCam. KuCam is the revolutionary 3D stereo and 360-degree camera to unleash the way you shoot. KuCam is the first camera in the world equipped with a state-of-the-art rotatable 3-lens camera, allowing KuCam to not only record 360-degree 4K videos, but also 3D stereo videos. KuCam comes equipped with shake-free technology, so your picture is always smooth. And its unique switchable structure allows you to effortlessly change modes to easily adapt to whatever the day brings. For every exploration, destination, or experience you share, KuCam will capture all your most memorable moments, even at 120 frames per second, for amazing effects. Shoot freely with KuCam. No matter how you position the camera, KuCam will capture it. With 3D stereo lenses and the groundbreaking depth-based technology, you can even refocus and reframe the photos after you've shot them. Our editing app allows you to use incredible technology to not only discover the best shot, but enhance them to the next level. Live stream your 360-degree panoramic or your 180 degrees of 3D space anytime, anywhere. Imagine an easy and simple way to record, edit, and share all your 360-degree and 3D moments, all in one place. KuCam uses the most cutting-edge imaging technology. We pack incredible professional features into a small camera, giving you a powerful and revolutionary new way of thinking. Explore the possibilities with KuCam, the next generation of imaging.